Okay, I'm going to show you what humans are really made out of now. Okay, so let's say you got the body, right? You got the head of each person and why people are masculine and feminine. I'm just doing a basic diagram. I want to paint a picture of this. I started to, and I started to make a sculpture, but I just, my time frames and stuff. Okay, so basically what it is, why we have masculine and feminine traits, and why we are the way we are, is because our brains are squiggly because there's a little octopus on each side, right? And then they entangle, they mate at the brainstem. Okay, there's a male and female. That's why there's also right and left hemispheres. So there's actually, the squigglies in there start off as octopus tentacles. That's why it looks like noodles. Okay, and the octopuses, they're really smart, right? You think about that. So what they've done is they've taken another life force and they've impregnated that with themselves. And this is why all humans are different too. Okay, and then the structure of it all was assembled by the octopus, and then the different parts were employed because octopuses are smart. So, and the veins running through, so basically, like each hemisphere, there's an octopus in there, and it leads to the eye, and it leads to the ear on each side. Okay, and then they share a digestive system and a stomach because they don't need to eat that much. They just get the juices and the blood flow. Okay, that's why the brain stays alive after the body as well. So they employ that function because they don't need their functions anymore because they're otherworldly. And technically, we are too many degrees. So, basically, the octopuses are in there. There's a lot more to it than that, but, you want to start cutting them out. You ain't figured it out yet. And most humans, they really can't conceive this. Because most humans are at the level of little babies. And that's why people are fascinated with octopuses. That's why people say, octopuses are from another planet. They're smarter than us. And that's why the dolphins relate to us because, there's a whole system in there. You got to realize, you got to start thinking outside the box because we're so lackluster as a race. We just really don't get it, And, yeah, that's why there's like all kinds of different stuff in there. Like veins are blue and different colors. The organs are different things. Because on the coral reef it works like that. And the octopus camouflages itself. It could like slip through a tiny hole. It could climb out of water. It ends up inside the human and impregnation of females. There's the male sperm and the female egg. That's evolution has taken place. We're just in disregard because we're ignorant.